Suppose tortillas and naan are substitutes, and yogurt is an input in the production of naan. And let's find out what happens if there is exit in the market for yogurt. And we'll assume that all demand curves are downward sloping and supply curves are upward sloping. Okay, so first let's think about directly what happens in the yogurt for market. Okay, so we have a depiction over here of the yogurt market. We have a downward sloping demand curve. And initially we're in the situation where our supply curve is like this. Then if there's exit, what that means is that the supply curve will shift to the left, right? So supply shifts left, which means that in equilibrium, since we have a downward sloping demand curve, the price for yogurt will rise. So the equilibrium price of yogurt rises. So the price of yogurt rises. And since yogurt is an input in the production of naan, that's going to have an effect on the market for naan. Okay, so the market for naan is depicted right here. Right, so again, we have a downward sloping demand curve. Initial supply curve is there, and since yogurt prices are going up, what that means is that the supply of naan will decrease. So there's a decrease in the supply of naan. So supply of naan shifts to the left, and we can see that what that means is that in equilibrium, the price of naan will rise because demand is downward sloping. So there's an increase in the price of naan, right? Okay, now we also assume that naan and tortillas are substitutes. Okay, so an increase in the price of naan is going to have an effect on the market for tortillas. And the effect that this will have, since they are substitutes, is that an increase in the price of naan will lead to an increase in the demand for tortillas. So demand for tortillas will shift to the right from the increase in the price of naan. And in equilibrium, what that means is that the price of tortillas will rise. So we can see that something happening way over here in the yogurt market will actually affect the market for tortillas because these goods are all related, right? Okay, thank you very much for watching.